Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you secret traffic sources which you will get million of users here. You can do affiliate or CPA or website traffic bring from here. So let me show where you have to go and how to do. So first we go to the Pinterest. Most of the person maybe know that Pinterest.com a lot of traffic sources it is lot of traffic sources here and a lot of users here, active users here daily. We can see at the similar web, the monthly visitors. It's one kind of very important video for everyone. 924 million visitors. It's very active always. Just follow this social media because if you post daily five posts at least in this social media, you will get more sales or website traffic because it's huge millions traffic here. You use America or any other country traffic sources are here. So you can do Amazon affiliate or CP or you want to get your website traffic, just follow and daily post here. You will see your result. So next, the traffic sources is panda.com. Someone know or someone maybe don't know. It's big traffic sources. One kind of here, just log in or register here and post here. A lot of traffic here, a lot of traffic here. Just follow this social media or website. We can see at the similar web it monthly visitors. It's one kind of biggest traffic sources, 22 million. It's huge traffic sources. One kind of huge traffic, active traffic here. Just post here what you want. You can do anything. If you want to bring website traffic, just post here. Or if you want to bring any affiliate network sales, just post here. Or if you want to do anything, YouTube promotion, just post here. Everything you can do here is huge traffic here. Just follow this and save this. The top traffic sources, we can see the Beats.co. It's basically product type traffic sources. If anyone want to sell product like affiliate product or personal product, you can sell here. It's one kind of huge traffic here. If really people are not going by then you can see that 3.3 million monthly visits here. It's huge traffic here. All are the USA UK traffic. Almost 50% USA or UK traffic here. So you can see that as well. Just sign up here and test daily and close daily at least 5 or 6 new product. You will get sales. So if you see that the third traffic sources, its name is Bigfoot.com. It's one kind of YouTube. It's like alternative YouTube. Suppose anyone want to do any video marketing, then they will get more traffic here. It's unique. It's very unique. No one know that. You will get the income from your video and you will get more sales from here. You get two types of income here. One is your affiliate or anything income from your video. Another is your content creator video income like YouTube. So it's one of the few traffic here. You can see at the corner how many how many active traffic here. Let me show. Let me show 30 million traffic here. It's huge traffic. Just follow this and get more sales and earning. You can earn 1000 or 3000 USD monthly from here. It's great traffic here. Just follow this all the traffic sources and you will get earning. So this video is for the today and next we'll upload it. You will get notification. Just subscribe my channel and like and follow my all types of video. So thank you very much for seeing my video.